Hello everybody, how you doing? I'm back. And today I will be camping out actually in my backyard because I have a couple of things I have to take care of and I won't be back till later. So I'm gonna get everything set up now. And got my coffee. It's hot for you. Yep, it's hot. All right, I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. It's, as you can tell, dark, and it's a little after 7. I had some things I had to take care of today, but I am getting out. I do need to eat. Camp is already set up. Let's see if I can get this to work. There we go. And tonight is a backyard camp, and it's only supposed to get down to about 60. Only issue is that it's really windy out. So let's get this fire started. All right, here we go in my homemade fireplace. And I am so cheating tonight. And I will be making dinner. And I will have dessert. And up here, this can is actually a homemade citronella candle. If I can get to light, there we go. It's made with citronella oil. Or fluid, whatever you want to call it. Here it goes. Look at that. I'll bring you back when I start cooking dinner. It's already throwing off heat. I like that. Okay, I got the fire going over here. Got my light here. I'm in my backyard, so I don't really care. For dinner tonight, I've got, this is for part of my dessert. My dinner tonight is going to be pasta mixed with hot dogs, and with a little bit of seasoning. Let's see, Tajin or something like that. I don't know if you can see that, but this is all I really want for dinner. I haven't eaten dinner yet, but dessert, excuse me, there. Dessert is going to be an apple. I'm going to core it out. Saw this recipe online because this is exactly what I was looking for. With a tablespoon of brown sugar and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. And then set that on the coals, wrapped in the foil. Oh, it should be tasty tonight. Let me tell you, it should be tasty. You know, I haven't cooked on any of my videos. So this, for even me, is going to be something different, a little bit of a treat. Yeah. So I'll get back to you when, oh man, that fire looks awesome in there. That used to be my fire pit. It's now a fireplace. Oh man, that heat just radiating off that feels so good. Like I said, it's supposed to only get down to about 60 tonight, but you know, it's windy out too, and it's cloudy, so you really can't see the moon. I gotta keep this bag from going anywhere. Okay, I'll catch you all in a little bit. Alright, well, dinner is done. All it is pasta and hot dogs. Looks like I might be eating them al dente, because fire kept on going out. But I'll add this to it. There we go. So long as the fire doesn't go out, it'll be alright. Wait a minute, let's do this. There we go. Stuff keeps falling out. Let's see. Pasta isn't too bad. With the hot dog and with seasoning, definitely edible. As long as I stop dropping it. Alright, everybody. I will see you when I get done. Bye-bye. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you. Bam. It's in there. It's deep in there. What I did was I used heavy duty foil. Whoops. Sorry about that. You know, I'll come back to you when I get it out. That was definitely some good stuff. Alright, well, on to number 2. Wow. Let's see. Get this apple out, clean it up. I'm sorry, I did not even realize it was recording. I'm gonna core this apple. See if I can do it without taking my finger. Just do it in squares. And great. Online it says to use a Granny Smith, but no, I didn't. I think these are Max. Kind of the core. Let's see if we can just. Well, hopefully nothing comes my way later. Alright. Now I've got the aluminum foil. Take it. Put it like so. No. It didn't say quite how to do this, but I'm just going to take a stab at it and just put it right in the middle. There we go, right. That's all I did. Let's put it right dead center. Right in the core. Do it like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. See? And then we leave it in the fire for about, as it says, 10 minutes. All right, peace. Got it out. Man, doing it the way I was doing it is worse than chopsticks. I mean, come on. All right. Feels a little bit warm. That's fine. I think half of it is, oh, looks ooey gooey. All right, give me a second. Ugh, the smoke from this fire pit. All right, I gotta do this. This is probably gonna look gross, but there it is. All right, I need my fork. I'm using my glove because it is quite warm. I'm gonna eat it from the center. Ooh, it smells freaking awesome. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't know what it is about a campfire or any type of fire, but food some way, somehow tastes better. Correct me if I'm wrong, everybody. But oh my goodness. Right on the flame. Ooh, right in the, I don't know if you can see that. It's just, I think this would have been better with a crumb cake. I was talking to the wife about it, and she's like, well, I don't know. But if I would have put this in a crumb cake, oh my gosh, it probably would have been oh so awesome. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm going to let you go, and I'm going to eat this by myself. Bye. Oh, hey. Well, that was definitely a good dinner and a good dessert. Okay. To be honest, dinner was not as good as I would hope. But for the purposes of why I did it, it was decent. It was edible. And I'm all about edible. Now, dessert, on the other hand, that was out of this world. But anyway, so yeah, like I've said in my update, it's been busy. And recently I had a company reach out to me through Amazon. I don't know if it's actually going to go anywhere. They haven't sent me anything. Had another company reach out to me through Amazon. There's a product due the day after I shoot this video. It's a headlamp, actually, and I'm actually kind of stoked. And the company that was sending me stuff once a month, well, things kind of started falling through with that. So the way I look at it is that there's a reason for certain things occurring, whether, whatever. So, but anyway, about this tent that I set up. Let's see. There we go. I've set this up once before. Just like anything else, it takes practice. So if newbies out there that are doing this type of camp of any type with the tarps and hammocks and everything, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna be true to you. I'm gonna be 100. This takes practice. It takes a lot of practice. You got to figure yourself out. You have to figure out the equipment. You got to figure out. It's a lot of playing with, and there's guys that have been doing this for years, and it looks like they've got it dialed in. I attempted to do a bow drill for fire starting for the first time in 2 years since I've been doing all this wilderness and stealth camp, blah, 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 it did not go well. So needless to say, I have some work to do. I have some more research. I have to do more playing with items and testing the items out and figuring things out. But it does get there. Anybody that's, like I said, getting into this for the first time, don't be discouraged, dude. Do that, whatever, whoever you are. It's just like anything else. You know, the job that you're doing, did you get it the first try? Probably not. So, and I'm actually dialing back on my gear to the bare minimum, to the actual essentials. I'm in my backyard, so I can just go to my garage and just grab something if I want, or throw something away. But when I go out and do these actual stealthers, I've actually gone about thinking it in a different direction. I don't, and nothing against anybody else, I don't have a GoPro or a tripod or whatever. I've got my son, he had a stop motion, and I'm using a stop motion stand with a selfie stick that I found, or even, not even the selfie stick. So, and this light that's shining on me, this is a magnetic sphere light that my wife bought me years ago. I've got a pair of them. So, like I said, I'm in my backyard and I don't care what people think. I'm going to sleep in this tent tonight and, yeah, just chill. I haven't actually been out camping in a little bit. And in March will be my 1 year anniversary of being with the SCA. Again, Stealth Camping Alliance. I've got a new video dropping in the next week or so of some that I attempted to try. Alright, I just want to thank those that showed up to my live stream. It wasn't long, so you didn't miss much. If you like what you see, do me a favor, hit that sub button, hit that thumbs up, like button. If you want to know exactly when I'm dropping, hit that notification bell. Unfortunately, they're going to be sporadic for a little bit. Hopefully, things slow down. I'll be able to get back into it. Hey, I just want to thank all my subscribers, anybody that views them, if you share them, whatever. But yeah, it's gonna be a quiet night. Just do that quiet currently, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna enjoy this fire. Listen carefully. I've got some look over here. Where is it? I saw a possum earlier. Whatever it was, it's running. Oh, what's happening? It's early for me, which is actually kind of nice, because hopefully I can get some sleep. So, I'm going to call it an early night. in my tent, tarp tent. I've actually got a little bit more room than in the actual tent that I've been in. So, alright, that being said, stay safe and peace. Good morning, everybody. It's about 20 to 6. I don't know if anybody's home or awake, so I am going to make some coffee this morning. Location I'm making coffee, probably not the best thing or best place, but it's really windy out, so as I took my time, it's windy out. Around probably in the mid 50s, but that warmth feels good. Slept okay. Feel the water heat up faster. There we go. So, alright, I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I press that in ever so slowly. There we go. Now, I can feel that heat. Put the lid on. Let it sit a little bit longer. I'll be right back. Alright, everybody. So it's about time. Tim, this is for you. Coffee's ready. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Stanley sending me a new piece. Something new. This is leaking out this. Alright. Let's put this here. Look at that. Sorry, I'm too chicken because I already know how hot it is. But coffee's ready. It's definitely hot. Oh yeah, it's hot. And it's good. Alright, everybody. Again, if you like what you see, give me a quick thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that bell. Thanks for coming along. Hopefully, here in the near future, I've got at least one more actual location I did a little bit of recon on. So, now all this is just a tarp tent with the opening that you can actually pop out on it. And what I did was I put the mylar here to block some of the wind, but with the wind blowing, it actually kept me awake because it was noisy. So, all right, again, thanks for coming out. If you've watched this whole way, please do, and stay safe and peace.